rush. Yo, shit seems like it was just yesterday, but for me it's just as hard trying to be the same. Cause right now, I'm the best to blame. Cause I'm the one who freaked out knowing there's a mess I'd make. Divorce the past and throw the rest away. You take my breath away, devote my life to you. My hands, my arm, my breast plate. I know you'd expect me to have more to say, but I'm just wishing I was better than them kings, like I was ace of spades. But it's just the way that you left. You stole my thoughts out of my mind and put me in this mess. Cause apparently you wanted this. Tell me it all happens for a reason, must have been for the best. And for the rest of our days we'll wonder what we could have been and just be forced to guess. But no one's forcing us, no one's making us. Yo, love was like driving to school, crashing, now I take the bus.